I stumbled upon Kaspa's chart. And I'm like, holy mother of God, this has to be spoken about today. And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is going to be a quick update on the one, the only Kaspa. Guys, the last time we spoke about Kaspa, I mean, you just saw it. Kaspa was sitting right here at around 10 cents. 10 cents. In fact, when I spotted Kaspa on the chart, I was not even supposed to do a video for you guys that day. I was in the middle of creating a pattern trading module for the Sprouts program, and I was giving them a bunch of examples on various patterns. And while going through charts, I spotted Kaspa, and I dropped everything I was doing in that moment. I'm like, they have to get the juice on this. They have to get the alpha that I'm seeing on Kaspa's chart right now. And that's when I released that 9-minute daily update specifically on Kaspa, showing you guys this play, this exact play. And in 9 days, guys, what has Kaspa done? All-time high. For those of you wondering, well, Krisha, where the hell were you when Kaspa was ripping? Where the hell have you been for the past 9 days? Honestly, guys, I just got my position in when I actually gave you guys that daily update, and I left for the beach. That's right, Sean and I, we've been on the beach for the past, 4 or 5 days now, and it was a Valentine's Day vacation, so I was sunbathing while I was watching my Kaspa position just rip to the upside. So we are up significantly on this trade. Now's the time to be proactive with your positions and not reactive. We were able to see this move come to us when price was sitting right here. So well before it even ripped. Now, for those of you wondering, well, Krisha, it's in blue sky breakout. Well, now what? Now, what's there to talk about? Well, I have the next target for you guys on Kaspa's chart. And no, I don't just pull out targets from thin air. No, I use prevailing price action. I use the historic price action as well, especially in this range right here. And I forecast targets based on those numbers. Okay, and so far they've been doing pretty well. In fact, I used my system to come up with these 3 targets at 9 cents, 11 cents, and 14 cents respectively. Right? In fact, price was sitting somewhere around here when I did forecast these targets for you. Once again, you can go back to the daily videos and pull those up. But yeah, I'm going to be using the same system now to forecast the next target on Kaspa's chart. I'll say this. It's got juice. Yes, it has got juice. But now, before I jump into that target, guys, I just want to let you know that we are running a Valentine's Day sale. The coupon is on my screen, VDay 2024. You can use it towards the Mango Seed program as well as the Mango Dynamic Indicator. Guys, if you're looking to up your game, the Seed is the way to go. Get into the page, okay? You can see what everyone else has said about the Seed program, how it's changed their lives, it's changed their trading careers. Go ahead, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many other testimonials that have yet to add. Sean is a fantastic teacher. More importantly, what is really going to give you is, yes, it's going to give you that bedrock, that foundation that you need to become an exceptional trader. But in addition to that, just for my Kaspa position, you know what helped me the most? Let me just scroll down to this module, the risk management module. This is the entire Mango risk management system given to you on a platter. That way you can take trades like Kaspa at these regions and just leave. It's going to tell you exactly what position size you need in order to stay safe on your trades. That way, if you're looking to walk away, you can. Alright, yes, it's going to give you all of that, so go ahead and check it out. You'll find this on the mangoway.com/seed. I will be linking this down below. Now is a good time to jump in while the Valentine's Day coupon is active. It's going to be active for the next 3 days. Now, as far as Kaspa is concerned, guys, what gave us the tip-off? What was that main tip-off that told us that now is the time to be watching Kas because the bulls have the ultimate trade setup? What was that? What was the ultimate trade setup here? Well, we spotted a cascading pattern play. Kaspa, first of all, formed a base at around 9 cents. All right, on top of that, we were putting in this mini double bottom-like formation here. And I told you that, hey, if we trigger that, then we're triggering a much larger double bottom formation. This right here is the neckline. And then if we trigger that, we're then going to be triggering a massive falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern on a technical standpoint. Okay, and notice how we triggered all 3. 1, 2, and then 3. And then the measured move of this falling wedge plotted on the break would take Kaspa all the way up to 15 cents. 15 cents. Not only did we get up to 15 cents, but now we've broken 15 cents. So now I have a question for you guys. Is this move frothy? Do you think this is unsustainable? Do you think the bulls have more juice left in them? What do you think? Because right now, what you need to understand is that, let me take you on over to the weekly time frame, switch off all my drawings. This is blue sky breakout for CAS. There's nothing on top of it. Sky is the limit. Sky is literally the limit right now. So what do you think? Is this too frothy? Now, most people would say that, yeah, it's unsustainable, right? But who are we to say what is sustainable, what is unsustainable? All I know is that we're currently in the middle of a bull run. This can keep running if it wants to keep running. Are there any objective indicators that's going to tell us that, hey, we might see resistance right here? Is there anything that we can look towards? And yes, for us guys, we got the Mango dashboard. If you ever find yourself asking those questions like, is this frothy? Is this unsustainable? Is this sustainable? Can I see a pullback here? Is this a good time to be getting in? All of these critical questions for your positioning. Right? If you have nothing else to fall back to, get into the Mango dashboard. This is going to be our objective indicator, especially during blue sky breakouts. Yes, it's amazing during the mid-cycle run-ups as well, but even during blue sky breakouts, it's going to help you set your expectations right. I usually start off by trying to identify whether or not the coin that I'm looking at is even on page 1. And why do I do that? Because you see this entire page right here? It's ranked based on trading volume, right? Now, there are a lot of weird ass coins that were not on here before that sort of made its way up on trading volume. So we're seeing a lot of trading volume actually pick up. But this morning when I was looking at Kaspa's chart, I was going to the dashboard and I noticed, guys, Kaspa is not on page 1. So this is telling me that something like, I don't know, CHZ the trading volume on CHZ is far dwarfing that on Kaspa's chart. And Kaspa, guys, right now is in blue sky breakout. All right. So this is telling me that, okay, yes, there is a lot of trading activity going on Kaspa right now, as you can see just based on price action, but I'm saying that the buyers are far outpacing the sellers. But now if I get into Kaspa's trend and volatility profile, okay, let's get into the drop down. Also, I really hope you guys are using your alerts to your advantage, because say if you did not catch the analysis video that I did on the dedicated analysis video that I did on Kaspa, but instead you were following the dashboard calls, the dashboard actually caught Kaspa even before me. Okay, so the 4-hour flipped long 10 days ago. So it gave you the bullish signal 10 days ago. And if you caught a trade just based on that, you're up 56% on that trade. So if you don't think you can follow the videos, make sure you're using your alerts to your advantage over here. Just in case you're out, say you're at work, you're at the gym, you're out with friends, family, whatever. As soon as any of these trends flip short, long, neutral, basically the trend flips on you, you will be alerted via email telling you that, hey, it's time to be looking at the chart, just in case you're looking to either get in a position or start taking profits off the table. Use the dashboard for that too. Now, what this is telling me is that Kaspa is looking good still, okay? Bulls have taken over from the 4-hour time frame to the 2-day time frame. You can see long trends across the board. You're up significantly on almost every time frame, okay? But also notice the flags. Guys, bullish Ichimoku setups on the 4-hour, 12-hour, and daily time frame. Not just that. Check this out on the 12-hour time frame. Potential bullish divergence on the 12-hour time frame. Yeah, even after this, there's potential bullish divergence on the 12-hour time frame. However, what is the volatility telling us? Here's what the volatility is telling me. It's telling me that, hey, the 4-hour time frame, it's looking a bit frothy. Okay, we could start seeing a pullback on the lower time frames. However, the bulls might very well step in on the 12-hour time frame. So yeah, we could see a pullback to a minor consolidation in your lower time frames, but the bulls have a lot more juice left in them on the 12-hour time frame, because this volatility is only hovering at 51, which is exceptionally healthy. We actually do start seeing a pullback on the lower time frames, or even a consolidation at around this region, we're also going to see this daily volatility start resetting in a way. We're going to start seeing this tick down. In fact, you can already see the daily volatility tick down. You can see this red arrow right here, essentially hovering anywhere between 60 to 50 while all of these trends stay long. That is going to be an amazing picture for the bulls. But right now what this is telling us, guys, the trend and the volatility profile is that there is no reason for any major concern for the bulls. Okay, we could still see Kaspa tick up even more. And if I have to just assess this daily grind up, can you guys see it? Kaspa has actually put in another bullish formation, which is this right here. We're staring at a bull flag. Okay, that is the pole. and this right here is the flag. If I have to go ahead and take the measured move of the bull flag upon the breakout, and yes, this bull flag, guys, has already triggered to the upside. All right, the first target, the bull flag target, I'm not gonna say the first target, but the bull flag target comes in right here at around 21 cents. All right, so you can go ahead and take note of that as one potential target on Kaspa's chart. But there is one more that I have derived, like I said, just based on momentum. Okay, I used the same system, the same target system to derive these three targets, which came in at 14 cents, 11 cents, and 9 cents. And you can see just how beautifully it all sort of played out, right? I came up with these targets when Kaspa was sitting right here. Right, when Kaspa was sitting at 6 cents. So using the same system, guys, the next target that I spotted out on Kaspa's chart comes in, let's get a drum roll, please, right here, 18 cents. That's right. For those of you who want to take note of this number, you can go ahead and take note of it. It comes in at around 0.188034. Okay, that is the exact number that I am looking at. So go ahead and take note of it. Now, the dashboard is telling us that, hey, the 4-hour, we could start seeing a pullback on the lower time frames, right? But if I look at my next target, I mean, we're significantly away from that next target, right? Which is a good 13% away to 18 cents. However, as many of you guys, those of you who've been following me for some time, you guys know that I really like looking at midpoints within a range. So I usually catch 14 cents as that region of resistance that we just cleared out. All right, and the next target at around 18 cents. And I look towards the midpoint between those two marks. All right, the midpoint comes in right here at around 16 cents. Okay. Now, I'm going to get on over to the 12-hour time frame. And you can see so far we have not closed a 12-hour candle over that 16-cent region. If, however, we manage to close the next 12-hour candle, which closes in another 5 hours, over 16 cents, I'm saying 18 cents is the next target. However, if we close under 16 cents, that's when I'll be looking for a pullback on Kaspa's chart. Okay, but 16 cents is going to be that interim key sort of zone I'll be watching out for today. All right, so I want to see where price closes relative to 16 because that could give us the next tip off on whether we see 18 soon or do we see 18 later on this week. Okay, but these are the two major targets that I'm spotting on Kaspa's chart. This looks absolutely, absolutely fantastic. 18 cents is your first target. The bull flag target comes in at around 21 cents. Now, of course, guys, as soon as I have more updates on Kaspa, as soon as there's more price action, if anything changes on this technical picture, I will be talking about it. So make sure you hit the sub and the bell icon if you want to stay up to date with Kaspa. Additionally, guys, I will also be posting more altcoin alpha under the premium video section on the Mango dashboard. So make sure you guys are checking it out. And I really, really hope you guys enjoyed today's analysis. Once again, guys, the V-Day special, the coupon is the V-Day 2024, applicable on the Mango Seed program as well as the Mango Dynamic Indicator. All right, so now's the time to grab it if you're looking to up your game this bull run. Now with this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the Mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.